All right, I'm going to try and do a quick video since I've had some requests on how to put this wing on, this spoiler, whatever you want to call it, onto the stock spoiler wing, okay? So basically what you get is there's multiple pieces in the kit, which I think I've shown in the previous videos. But the first thing you want to do is put the end, trailing wings or the side wings, side pieces onto the main wing, and those screw in. There's 2 screws. I believe the screws are provided. I don't remember if there's holes, so you may need a power drill to increase or create the holes, but the screws are provided. I also suggest that you have a spare set of various screw sizes just in case you need to use a bigger screw size, if maybe a hole stripped or whatever. So first thing you want to do is put those 2 sides on to your spoiler. Okay, the second step you want to do is have some masking tape and tape in 4 different areas. This area right here where you see one of the pieces already installed, you want to put some masking tape down. And again, you want to take you want to have your red or whatever color spoiler that you have from the vehicle, take it off and do it off the vehicle. But you want to place tape down onto that area. You know, this is not good masking tape, but get some good painter's tape. Put it down in this area, okay? So probably in this entire area right here, this area right here, this area right here, and the same, so in 4 places, this area over here, okay? And the next step, what you want to do is take your half-assembled spoiler that you have, and also, I forgot, you want to assemble these 2 pieces to the bottom, okay? So you want to have those as well. So not just these sides, but these bottom pieces as well, okay? I do not have them on here because I had to pull them off. Because these pieces snap onto here. I'm not going to put it on, but they snap into place, okay? So it's hard to get off, and I had a little bit of trouble getting mine off, so it snaps into place. But so there's another screw location in here that goes into that hole, so you want to screw those on. So you'll have then a total of 5 pieces. So you'll have the main wing, the 2 sides, and these 2 pieces on. Okay, so you want to take that and then set it onto your existing spoiler. These will not be in the locations yet. Okay, place it down onto the spoiler, onto your colored spoiler of your vehicle. You get it in the location as best you can see. So you want to have it centered. So look at the the center line of your vehicle. Make sure it's this point is at the same point over here. And so basically you just want to get it centered to exactly where you want to see this the spoiler on your vehicle, okay? So relative to this side and this side, they should be the same. So once you get it in position, it's probably best to use a partner to make sure you get it in the right position that you want, to make sure that it's centered. Once you get that in position, you take your pencil and draw a line around where the spoiler is meeting the black wing is meeting your red spoiler. So draw that around here. Same here, here, and here, okay? So you know exactly where it goes, okay? And you're drawing that on top of your masking tape, okay? So now you can remove this piece. And the next step is to attach the 4 pieces that you have inside your kit. You have 2 side pieces and the 2 center pieces, okay? So this will require taking these pieces, put it on that template or that shape that you just penciled in, and drilling holes. So you will need to have, I don't have the drill bits here, but you will have to have either some screws that you supplied by yourself or that's in the kit. You'll have to drill the holes to the appropriate size to whatever screws you're using. So you will have to drill into your colored spoiler, all right? So you drill into that in, there's marked for 3 different locations. I found that there was an interference with this outside one, so I didn't include it. So I just did these 2 outside ones. So you drill it, put your black piece on, put your screws in, put it into place, okay? Same thing with these 2 pieces, okay? You locate this piece onto your colored spoiler, put it in place, mark it, remove it, drill it, okay? Put it back on, take a screw, put it into place, screw it into place, okay? Now you want to select screws that have sufficient thread sizes so it's going to stay into your plastic spoiler material. Now alternately, what you could do is you could use a bolt and screw and nut, which would even be a better connection to your plastic spoiler. I did not do that because I feel with the multiple points of connection, I feel it's fine, and I'm going to even strengthen a little bit more with having solid screws. You may want to use some Loctite, some other methods to keep it into place, but as of right now, this is definitely solid because there's multiple points of location and good solid connections, okay? So then you want to put your 3rd plastic piece into place, into where you marked it. Mark the center point for the drill hole, remove it, drill that hole, take your screw, screw it into place, okay? Last one you do over here, like you did at the first one, put your plastic piece into place, drill your 3 holes, or mark your holes, drill your 3 holes, put a black plastic piece into place, screw it in, and then it's solid in place, okay? These are a little bit loose yet, so I am going to tighten those down. Okay, those are nice and solid now. Because you only want to do this once, because like I said, these pieces that are on the main wing snap into place, and it's hard to unsnap these. Okay, so that's a nice tight fit. Okay, so once you got that done, again, you want to have, I'm gonna need to put these plastic pieces back on. So I'm not being real careful with this painted piece because it is a backup and it is pretty much scratched already. But again, you don't want to be doing this on your car. You want to do it on a bench, you know, so you're keeping everything from becoming scratched. So okay, you want to get these into position, screw them in. I'm going to use a bigger screw now because I had to pull it out. So we get good tight engagement. Okay, got to get it in the hole, which is a little bit difficult. All right, that happens to everybody, right? Okay. Let's try this, see if this works. Let's do that. Yep, boom. Oops. Okay, you also don't want to over torque it. So just kind of do it by, you know, definitely don't use a torque driver here or a drill driver. That's a good tight fit. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Make sure we get a good thick screw. Put our other piece on. Do the same way. Okay, let's get it in there. Upwards. Okay, that went in a little too easy. I'm going to get a little bigger screw for this one. So I'll be right back. All right, I found a nice fat screw. You can see it there. Hopefully you are lucky as me and have a bunch of spare screws that you kept from other projects. Okay, now my screwdriver is too small, so we can get a bigger screwdriver. Sorry for this, guys. That's a nice tight fit. Perfect. Okay. So the last step is you've got everything in position. You've got your 4 black mounting pieces in place. These 2 side ones screw in. These middle ones snap in. So you get it in position. Supplied with the kit are these 2 longer, actually there's 4 total longer screws that go into the side here. So you screw those in. Okay, there we go. That one's going. There we go. All right, finally got it. So let's get that one in there. Get that one in. Okay, once you got those screwed in, all you need to do is take your last cover piece, snap it into place. And that just snaps into place. And lastly, you want to do, make sure it's in position, and then do the other side over here. And everything's done. So I'm not going to do that since it's identical over here, but that's it. Any questions? Leave me in something in the comments. Thanks. Bye.